Hi, good day to my future employer. My name is Ruby Ann Batokto. I am 34 years old. I'm a happy married. I have 4 kids. I have 2 daughters, age of 16 and 13. And then I have 2 sons, age of 10 and 3 years old. I'm a high school graduate from Cebu, Philippines. I have working experience for 9 years in abroad, first in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'm working as a domestic helper from 2015 to 2018. I served 6 persons, including 4 kids, age of 6, 7, 10, and 12. My duty are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, looking after the kids and play with them, help them to their activity and homework, and provide their needs. Second, in Dubai, from 2019 to 2025. In my company in Dubai, I undergo training such as pediatric first aid like CPR, newborn care, child care, and child protection and child behavior, and many more. My first employer is Italian-Chinese family. I taking care of 4 months old baby girl for 3 years. My duty is to taking care of baby, feeding, put him to sleep, give him a good bath, reading the books, and many more. And then I do the household chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, cooking. And my next employer is a British-Irish family. I taking care of newborn baby until 3 years old. My duty is to taking care of him, feeding, birthing to avoid the gassy tummy, put him to sleep routine, play with them, teach them the proper hygiene, and I teach him how to potty train and give him a good bath, give him some activity, and teach him to count and color, and then I teach him to good manners. And my experience to taking care of newborn, infant, and toddler, I'm good take of them. Always they are safe and provide their needs. Teach them to learn, and aside to taking care of kids, I'm good at cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and petting. To my future employer, please allow me to work to your family. I'm good to taking care of kids. I'm promised to taking care of your kids and your family with love and care. I'm a hardworking person, trustworthy person. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you soon, and God bless.